So first, I want to say thank you for checking out another video of my Trice Tyme. Tonight, I have a night shower routine, okay, with a fragrance combo in here for you too, okay. Yeah, so I feel like we need to take care of ourselves in a lot of ways, and physically is one of them. So here we go, girl. I'm using my favorite makeup removing towelettes from Clinique. They are amazing. They are super soft. One towelette removes everything. They are always completely moist. They come with 50 in each pack. Okay, that lasts me over a month. Sometimes, I'm not even gonna lie to you, girl, I would cut this thing in half if I did not even wear like all that makeup. Okay, they are available at Ulta, and I think Sephora. But yeah, though, gosh, I'm just looking and I'm just knowing how soft this thing really is. It just glides on your face like I've never, girl. This step is so important, okay? This step is going to determine basically how your makeup is going to come out the next day. This step right here is going to determine how your skincare is actually going to work, how effective it's going to be. Because if you have makeup on your skin as a barrier, it's not removed properly or thoroughly, girl, you are wasting money, okay? Because the skincare is never going to do nothing because it can't get through the makeup. So I love that. I'm going to use this All About Clean from Clinique because it is for dry combination skin. Everything is customizable. And I love it because it don't leave my skin feeling too dry, and it removes like any trace of makeup left over. It's fragrance free. And I love that for skincare. So I am going to use a paper towel to dry my face, to pat my face dry. I don't use towels from the house because it may have like fabric softener and things like that on it. So I opt for a paper towel because it's disposable and it's just more hygienic. So yeah, I've been doing that for years. And you see how white this is? Girl, this Manuka honeycomb is about to set it off up in here tonight, okay? It is so sweet, and it also is infused with essential oils. If you don't have one of these in your shower routine, like, what are you doing, girl? What are you doing? That thing right there removes all of the dead skin on your body, okay? Again, just like our face, it removes all of the dead skin off of your body. So then when you do go on with your body wash and your moisturizer and stuff, it actually work. So I'm just prepping my skin right now for the next step. That's gonna be my favorite thing. I'm making sure to get up under the arms. Now this right here, oh my god, it is a physical and a chemical exfoliant. Do you see the grit on here? It's like a paste. If you have trouble with any, and I mean any, rough spots on your body, you need to try this. Like, I encourage you to even get a travel size. If you can get a travel size of this, oh my goodness, I bet you'll go back for the full size because, girl, this will have your skin so slippery smooth. It is not even funny, okay? They're all natural ingredients, I think, too, like cruelty-free or vegan or something like that. Now, I scrubbed, and that was the second part in your skincare routine, which is shower routine. So now I'm going to add like my skincare, which is that Olay body wash that had the retinol and stuff in there. Retinol is about to help with any lines or fine lines and stuff like that. I wish you could help give me a BBL. No, I'm just playing. But But yeah, but it does all that, girl. So if you want like a dramatic change in your skin texture, like in about a week, use that. It's available in all drugstores. Okay. So I think I was, oh yeah, brushing my teeth, and now polish choice. Oh yeah, so this is new for me. At first I was using a Clinique clarifying lotion. That was everything, but I think over time my skin needed more because I'm getting older. So the polish choice BHA liquid exfoliant. Oh my god, if you want glass skin, girl, I'm telling you, like, I'm dropping these things for you guys. Like, I will not lie to you guys. These products is everything. Clinique, dramatically different. This right here is for dry combination skin as well. It is a protectant. So I ran out of my other moisturizer that I like to use. But that's cool. I'm gonna use that. That was my daughter's though. Okay. I'm sure everybody done use this. I really like to use this before my moisturizer, because it just really lock in moisture, because your girl got like super duper extra super duper California expialidocious dry skin, and girl, this right here is like a must have if I want to have any type of healthiness. A healthy look to my skin on my body. Is like, dang, but I have to put that. Okay, so you already know that's available in all drugstores. Put that on. Oh my god, it is very light scent. So that right there, combo with this right here, and then I'm gonna show you the body spray I use tonight too. That vanilla body cream, girl. Can you just see how my hand just glides? Girl, just glide. Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm telling y'all. I am telling you. Girl, that's gonna be all she wrote in a minute. So those two products, and then Harriet Tubman trying to get herself together. Okay, so yeah, so those products mixed with that one sweet on the outside. I picked this up at Target. It is simply amazing. It has a smokiness to it. It has like vanilla scent to it, and it's just so warm. You guys, y'all need to try this combo. If you try this combo, please go in the comments and let me know how you feel. And make sure you burn in this candle too, because this is infused with essential oil, and oh, it's so sweet, kind of like me, girl. Good night, you guys.